Okay, picture rows of glowing computer screens and the hum of high-tech labs. That's where you'll find Gage, a computer information systems major. From learning cutting-edge cybersecurity skills to leading as vice president of the Student Leadership Council, Gage is proving that OTC is where technology meets leadership. Gage, show us what you've been working on. We cannot wait to hear your story.
Hey everyone, thanks Alex for that introduction. Growing up, I knew I always wanted to do something with computers. Obtaining a quality education that was close to home was also one of my goals, and Ogeechee Tech checked all those boxes. As our world changes and evolves and our reliance on technology and the internet increases each and every day, information technology and cybersecurity are at the forefront of education. Not only does cybersecurity protect us, but computer science supports every aspect of modern life, from communication and entertainment to transportation and healthcare. One of the best parts of my experience here at Ogeechee Tech were the instructors. They're not only teachers, they're mentors who genuinely care about your success. Mr. Collins, an instructor at OTC, made everything a smooth transition to college. He cares about all of his students and their success. You can tell they want you to succeed not only in school, but in life. They keep us up to date about the most important innovations in the industry. The college overall is just an awesome place to be. Not only does the campus feel like home, but there is always something going on. There are many different events that are hosted by the Student Leadership Council and open to students, faculty, as well as staff. Having the opportunity to serve as the Vice President of the Student Leadership Council has really been an honor. Not only has it helped me grow leadership skills and gain confidence to join the local workforce upon graduation, but also to grow as part of this community I've come to love. Whatever major you may desire, you'll not only learn it, you will distinguish yourself while getting experience doing so. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Gage, your story shows how technical expertise and leadership go hand in hand. From mastering cybersecurity to creating a welcoming campus environment through student events, you're making your mark both in and out of the classroom. And we cannot wait to see how you'll shape the tech world. Keep going strong, Gage, and thanks again for sharing your story.